to DevOps Mind. In this video, we will learn about how to create a Kubernetes cluster through command line. In previous video, we discussed about how to create a cluster manually. So to create a cluster through command line, first we need to log in into our Google account. So to log in into our Google account, we have one command. So go to git bash. Okay, I will clear this. Right, so yeah, so the command is gcloud auth login. So if you give this command, then you can log in into your Google account. So here you have to choose your Gmail account or Google account. So I want to go with this account. Click on allow. So what it says, you're now authenticated with the gcloud CLI, right? So go to console. So this is my GCP account, and this is my project, and this is my project ID, right? So let's go to git bash. So now we have logged in, right? So to check that, we have one more command, which is gcloud config list. So this command is used to check which Google account the cluster is connected. Okay, what it says here, count and my Gmail account, which I've logged in with, right? So now we have to set up a project. To set up a project, we have one more command, which is called gcloud config set project and project ID. So this is my project ID. Copy this ID, paste it, click enter. Okay, so we are connected to our project, right? So now the main part. So we have to create a cluster using command line. So we can create any cluster, we can name it anything. So for now, I'm going with, I'm giving test cluster. Before I created a demo cluster. So click enter. Then I want to say one important thing. So here, when you create a cluster in authorized networks, you have to give 0.0.0.0/0 because it is usually like we can we can if we give this, then we can connect with the any IP address, right? So what it says, creating cluster, test cluster. So have some patience, it takes some time. Let's go to console and check what's happening. Hmm, refresh. Yeah, the cluster is creating. So we are creating test cluster, right? So it is creating. It takes some time. Refresh. Yeah, it's creating. Cluster creation can take few minutes. So what it says, it is configuring. Configuring is done. Now it's deploying. Yeah, it's still taking some time. Getting cluster and let's just for refresh once more. Let's see what's happening. This cluster. So okay, it is deployed and it is now checking health. You can also see the cluster overview, cluster details, test cluster, location type, region, default node zones, details. These are the details of this cluster. Okay, now the cluster has been created. It says name, location, mission type, test cluster. Let's go to console and check. Refresh once more. Mhm. Yeah, test 4 is created. No, not test 4. Test cluster. This one, it test cluster is created. Let's refresh once more. Should be here. Maybe it takes some time to update here, but it's created. It's created. Right, it says running. Yeah, it's created. Now we have successfully created a cluster. Then go to git bash. So to check which cluster is connected, we have one more command. So which is kubectl config get context. Click enter. These are the clusters. To check which cluster is connected, we have one more command kubectl config use context. We created a test cluster, so let's connect to this. Copy this, right? Copy, paste. So what it says, switch it to context test cluster. So we have to check once more. You can give up arrow or you can type command. So I'm giving up arrow. So finally, we switch it to the test cluster. Here you can see switch it to context text cluster. Yeah, then to list the namespaces, we have one more command which is kubectl get ns means namespace. So these are the available namespace. And to list the pods, we have one more command which is called kubectl get pods -n. Choose any namespace. Like I wanna go with this one, public, public. Copy this, paste. Cube, right? Okay. Okay. What it says, resource found in cube public namespace. So there is no namespaces. There is no ports in this namespace. So let's take another one. kubectl get ports -n. Let's take another one. We'll go with this cube system. Why it's not taking cube system? Yeah, so here we can see the ports in that name in the cube system namespace. These are all the ports which are there in the cube system. So in coming video we will learn more commands and what it does. So let's continue remaining part in coming video. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe for more content. You can see all the notifications which I post. So please subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family. Thank you once again. Bye bye.